How long does it take to restore vision naturally? Everything depends on you. How quickly you can learn to relax your eyes and facial muscles and relax your psyche. Learn how to move your eyes in a relaxed way without straining your eye muscles. To do a slight stretch of the eye muscles, blink gently and do it all regularly. It will take about 2-3 months to develop these skills as valuable habits of clear vision. The video of the 3 best exercises for myopia is on my channel. After a month of relaxation training, you can try more powerful stretching video of Svaton exercises from my channel. Also, from the first day, you need to start listening to meditation to relax the muscle of the face. The video is on my channel also. Having all these skills, I think I could remove the spasm of the oblique muscle of the eyes in a day. But while I found and tried all this, it took me 3 months. And my vision immediately improved as the spasm was removed. If you want more in-depth step-by-step course how to improve your eyesight naturally, Eyesight Academy course, the link will be in the description below.